Here's how to turn on dark mode in Chrome for your Windows PC. It's pretty straightforward. First, open your Start menu and go into Settings. Once you're in Settings, find the Appearance section. Look for the setting labeled Mode and switch that over to Dark. After you do that, Chrome will usually pick up on your system setting and switch itself to dark mode automatically. It should happen right away. If it doesn't change for some reason, just close Chrome completely and then open it back up. That almost always fixes it. And that's it. Now, you've got dark mode running, which gives your browser a darker look. It's easier on your eyes, especially when you're working in low light. If this video helped you, do like it, subscribe to my channel, and comment like so I can personally thank you.